So likewise, if it is not, as I say, if it is not broadcasting mode, so you can stop the broadcasting and then you can do all the modification. You can change or update the profile and it will reflect for the broadcasting quality, and you can change the nodes. You can ask some other server to do the functionality, and the you can change the other parameter value too. So to do, how do you stopping and starting the channel? uh, to start the channel, you have to press this green button. To stop the channel, you need to press this green no, it's a red button. So likewise, you can manage the channel. As I said, the channel having the five status. The status mean to start the channel. To start, if it is not functioning or if it is complete his activity, the channel is in the idle mode. It means in that idle mode, you can do all the changes, any changes if it is required. But do not forget, if you do any changes, it will really affect for your subscribers. So definitely you will lose your subscribers for, but you have to think it you have to be very conscious when you are doing these changes. The pre-processing before starting your channel, the channel has to, could you remember, it is something like when you are switch on your computer. When you are switch on, then you can start Microsoft Word. No, it's impossible. It take time to boot. Likewise, when you're starting your channel, it is need some pre-processing time duration. Once it get ready, then you can start your streaming. The running means it is in the normal mode. Now it is broadcasting the live. It's doing the live broadcasting. The completion. Once you complete the your broadcasting process, it is in the complete. If channel gets any issue or exception, it is called the error position. You have to be very careful if your channel comes to the error positions to check why it's goes wrong. So what are the things you need to it is required to create the channel? We have discussed three things. What are the three things? The profile name, does it required? And the other one, input resolutions of input stream, node, uh, profile of profile channel parameters. I don't think all of them are required. I think resolution of the input stream is not necessary because it is set up in profile. So this is the answer. So you have to be very careful what you are answering. So when you're listening, you have to be very careful. And we are stopped today. Uh, One more thing. The basic step of the conducting it mean when if you want to do the broadcasting, you have to. Do you want to go now? So you have to satisfy few steps. It means adding. You have to first you have to add a node to the cluster. Even you are making a one node, you can make a cluster, that's fine. And create the profile is mentioning about what is the quality of the input and output behavior. And create that you can create the channel. Then third point is you have to create the channel, and you have to press the start button to run the channel. um yes, making a channel and maintaining a channel is not so easy, even if it is very difficult. So you can do this one very fancy way with the AWS. And this is the task that you have to do. It means the bulk task means bulk task means if you have a uh, set of channel, bulk task will help you to manage all of these channel together. You can apply one change imagine you're changing your video quality in one channel. If you want